Wannabe investor? Check. Novice investor? Check. A seasoned investor? Check. Over the past 3 decades, millions of Indian investors have used value research mutual fund ratings to choose good funds to invest in and avoid bad funds they were tempted by. And now, here's another tool developed and curated by experts at Value Research. Presenting to you Value Research Stock Rating.
The market is so noisy and it swings so widely that we are either so fearful or so greedy that we lose sight of what should be done. So that is why you need an investment framework. And Value Research Stock Rating is just an effort to give you that framework. An investment framework is a set of consistent principles, a method of decision making which you can apply when analyzing investment opportunity or, in this case, looking at companies.
Based on 30 years of stock research experience, we have devised a stock rating system that captures valuation, that is, the best valued stocks currently available at attractive prices compared to their historical ranges, growth, the fastest growing stocks presently witnessing rapid growth in their business, and quality, the best rated companies with high quality and a strong balance sheet. Combine all three, you get the 5-star composite rating to help you find fundamentally strong, growing companies at a reasonable price.
People should blindly follow the Value Research Stock Rating to start their investment process. We have developed a framework which you can follow at all times. This can be a great starting point for anybody's methodical step to finding a great company. Even looking at eliminating company, it could be a pointer for you to wonder about something which you own and what the rating is, and you start thinking about it, that what is going on? Is the quality down, or is the growth now muted, or is it just too expensive? And if you are able to get these broad parameters or pointers to act upon or think about or ponder about, then I think your quality of decision making will be far more objective. It brings about an objective framework to your equity decision making.
Unlike the other rating systems that are crowdsourced, ours is not. The Value Research Star Rating is based on rigorous proprietary research and analysis.
We have backtested for the past 10 years and observed that 83% of the times, top-rated stocks have performed better than the BSE 500 index if you look at any 5-year bracket.
Value Research Stock Rating is focused on quantitative measures of financial performance and not on sentiment or user opinions. It is a certification of quality, not a fickle indicator. And the objective is to surface good ideas, not just the popular ones.
A strong framework serves many purposes. I can list 4 or 5 of them which are crucial to your investment success. One is that it narrows your huge investment universe that you'll have to grapple with, and bringing it down to a more manageable set, a subset which you can actually focus on, is a great advantage. Second is that it applies, a common, no exception set of principles to your investment rules, on every stock that is that part of the universe. So unlike human judgment, a framework does not play favorites, and it does not miss out on anything at any point. The third advantage is that once you pre-commit to a philosophy and a process, it helps you avoid, emotional distractions or decision, because in the marketplace, you have the extreme volatility, and we will be wildly swinging in a very brief period of time of this greed and fear scale. So framework guides action, and it prevents you from reacting, because many a times we are not acting, we are just reacting to what is going on, and that's not a good idea. Fourth is that an intelligently designed framework accumulated through experience, because this framework is not coming randomly. It is the result of many years of experience of all experts. That allows investors to filter out the noise. And the amount of noise that is generated nowadays about investing and investment, it's very difficult to resist that. Finally, one of the key benefits of this framework or this rating is that it saves time. You get a tip, but validate the tip, and it takes few minutes to do it. You don't have to really delve in deeper into how is the company doing, how is it growing, is it cheap, well priced, good enough for you to profit from. this is just a symbol, and you have to look for it at Value Research Online, updated every day, and you get a signal. We invented mutual fund ratings in 1993 in India, and since then it democratized investors' decision making about mutual fund, and it is still a guiding force. I'm confident that stock rating will also be a guiding force, will guide investors, and it will democratize objective thinking about stocks. So before you buy, sell, or choose not to sell, check for the rating.